In this video, I will be showing you how you can get the best prompt for the script writing, YouTube script writing, and the Midjourney prompts from the ChatGPT and how you can use them in your own softwares. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So I'm going to show you the best extension for the ChatGPT so you guys can use it at the maximum capacity. So this is the interface right over here. So go ahead and open up your Google Chrome, search AIPRM extension, and it will redirect you to the first thing, which is Chrome Web Store. Simply click on it, and once you will click on it, you will see that there are 2 million people who are using this extension for multiple purposes. Simply go ahead and install the extension in your PC. After that, you will have to pin that extension on the top of the extension bar and simply click on it, and you will be redirected to the ChatGPT page. Here, you will see various sort of options, a search bar, and different sort of uh, prompts all over the page. So for example, if you want to search for the YouTube script creator, simply go ahead and click on the create captivating. Simply click on the prompt over here. So once you will click on the prompt, you will be redirected to this page. So for example, select the output language, that could be English, the tone that you want to that you want the script in, writing style that could be poetic, default, and if you have ChatGPT 4 or maybe 4.0, then you can use other update options as well. So for example, you can give different sort of prompts here. For example, the title of the video, how to change the title. Simply give this prompt to the computer and press enter button. So here you will see that the AIPRM will work according to your prompt and the YouTube video script writing will start. So this is the script that has been written by the ChatGPT, and this has a proper syntax. For example, opening scene, host, then scene one, then voiceover, then all the cinematics, director point of view, and all the other stuff. It has all the features that you want, so that way you can do it. Uh, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.